The 8225TL thermal window was developed to be a high-performance window option that still meets AW performance while having a smaller system depth and sightline. We're adding an impact option to the 8225TL for increased occupant protection in hurricane-prone areas. The 8225TL has been impact tested and fixed projectile casement configurations, including an emergency egress window as well. The 8225TL will be greatly beneficial in the southeast and Gulf Coast areas. The areas are prone to hurricanes and have standards and codes that call for hurricane tested products. 8225TL has Florida product approval as well as Texas Department of Insurance approvals. Adding the 8225TL to our impact portfolio increases our portfolio in general and gives designers, architects, building owners just more choices and flexibility within our portfolio. You can have higher performing systems across the board with narrow sight lines and different thermal configurations depending on your exact location and building needs.